What's up, motherfuckers? Dito lang kami, chill. Chill in the vicinity of Taal. Kita nyo naman kung gaano kami ka big time, ha?
Yeah.
Yup!
Hello.
Si paring Archie may kausap, oh.
Yeah, okay. Be there 5 minutes, okay?
Yeah. O, diba?
Okay. Okay.
Putang inang yayaman talaga namin.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Oh,
Nang pusa mo.
Okay, okay. Don't be late, okay? Yeah.
Don't be late because I'm not be there.
You'll be there. You will be there. Promise to me, okay? Okay. Okay.
Bounce.
Yeah.
I'm going to bounce.
Much love, babe.
What's up? Okay naman kami. So, nandito lang kami para magkape nga. Kape and... Para ba? Maghanap ng chicks?
Nope. Yeah. Just planning to go around here and look at the view, man.
Ganda nga ng view.
Very surprising. It takes away all your worries, especially the girls.
Actually, nandito kayo para mag-food tasting lang.
Yeah.
Wala lang. Gusto kasi namin mag-inuman dito next Saturday, right?
Yeah.
Kailangan namin i-taste muna yung pulutan.
Pulutan.
Bago kami mag-inom ng Sabado. Kasi mahirap na.
Oh, ganun kami ka-stricto ngayon.
Mahirap.
Lalo na ngayon kasi maglaganap na yung mga food poisoning, so every time
Alaga rin kasi tayo ni Mama, ano? Tsaka ni Papa. Hirap nga rin maging jealous kasi popular ka masyado. Pero wala naman tayong chicks. Ayos!